Wow, welcome to the Trndsel WhatsApp community. For starters, let me tell you about Trndsel. Trndsel is the #1 online shop with the lowest prices. For instance, on the market, you get this portable Bluetooth device for 250 cedis, but we sell at 200 cedis. And then this Bluetooth earbud goes for 195 cedis on the market, but Trndsel offers it to you at 130 cedis. The Trndsel WhatsApp community is a trusted platform for all tech lovers where you get to see and buy affordable electronic gadgets just on our WhatsApp status. So there are many benefits to being a part of the Trndsel WhatsApp community. 1. You get to enjoy a 30% discount off all our products. 2. Become the first to be notified of our promotions and all our new product arrivals. 3. Enjoy a flexible payment plan. 4. Have access to our 24-hour customer service support. And 5. Be a part of our over 6,000 WhatsApp followers. Simply add any of the numbers displayed on your screen, send us hi, part of our WhatsApp community. Don't forget to share this video with a friend, tell a friend to tell another, save the number, belong and enjoy.